Alright, here's the updated video to the last video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We did a voiceover. We got pretty good feedback on it. But we got a care package today. So let's see what we got. We got the, looks like these are the rods. And then we got some tools for the install. Let's see how these look. 1, 4. These would look like flat tops.
It will need to be bored.
It heats up, it works.
We are coating the pistons.
So we went to go
ceramic coat the pistons.
We went to go get this at a secondhand store, and it actually works. How much was it? 12 bucks?
$12.99.
$12.99.
You barely see it, but Cerakote. We are going to Cerakote our pistons with midnight rods, because we're going to Cerakote other stuff too, not just our pistons.
Go, come out.
And yep, all you want to do is just make sure that the tape is going all the way to the top edge. So that way you don't hit the sides with any of the aluminum oxide blasting material. Then you make sure it's nice and tight. Like that. Step 2, use aluminum oxide. All we could get was 70 grit. If you could get a little bit less grit than that, that's okay, better. But this will be just fine. So I'll pick it up in here. I'm going to use this gun from Harbor Freight. Shout out to Harbor Freight for always having our backs with our DIY projects here. This one is probably overkill because you could probably use that actual gun to do it, but thingamajiggers for your toilet bowls. And then I just taped on some gloves. Then you could also, it also has a lid here if you wanted to do it to where it was enclosed. So you can put this on and it's one of those airtight lids. And you slap it on, then you go in here with this and do all your work that you want to do. So it's just a DIY sandblasting cabinet. I don't use the top because I don't really care about keeping the material. As you can see, there's already some baking soda in here from when I did the head. But yeah, so that's all this is. This is just a sandblasting, homemade DIY sandblasting.
There's no way.
Yeah, why is
there
it goes, there it goes.
Goes back down to 18.
Little dip for measure, and yeah, it went down 1 exactly. So I was right. 1 hour.
1 hour later.
Guys, an hour later, let's see how they turned out.
That's pretty. And they're a dope ass color.
Yeah, it is a cool color.
It's not like
it's just, let me see. The camera doesn't know justice, but there you can kind of see it, guys. It's, what's the color again? Just in case.
Midnight bronze.
Midnight bronze. It'll kind of match every other bronze part we're doing on this car.
You'll never see it though.
Why did we do this then?
We did this because we're gonna paint something else other than that. Instead of just using the same FDE that everybody uses, why not do a color that you're gonna use for other stuff too?
Good point, good point. All right, guys, that's it for the night. We're completely done Cerakoting the pistons, and he came out pretty good. It took what? Not even
Hour and a half.
an hour and a half at max, and we saved a few couple Benjamins, but we're just gonna let them cool off because they're extremely hot right now. We went to go buy this at a second thrift store, and we did this all in a day.
Hour and a half. That's all it took. Well, I mean, you add in the curing time of 30 minutes or an hour, so it's 2.5 hours is done.
Yeah, but they came out sweet. Midnight bronze. We got it off Amazon. We'll leave the link in the description where we got that.
We'll leave a link in the description for all the stuff that we use.
All the stuff that we use, yes.
Because I don't think we went over the gun either. The gun we got from Harbor Freight, it's the detail gun, the small detail gun, and that's it. Literally, that's all we used.
Yeah, and then we got the sand thing too. It was $20 because it was on sale. But
oh yeah, the sandblasting thing, we had that before. And then the sand or the aluminum oxide was $40 for 25 pounds.
yeah, which you can reuse on any other project you guys want to use.
We got other projects we can use it on.
Yeah.
Shoot, we might just Cerakote something else.
Cerakote the car.
What else could we Cerakote?
Just the whole car.
No, let's Cerakote some other parts too. What
We
else?
could. Now
We
that
could Cerakote the rods.
Yeah, we could.
I've never heard of anybody doing that. Why not? Cerakote the bearings. No. Just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding.
We'll Cerakote the transmission.
No, we're good. That's all we do.
All right, guys. Yeah, we're gonna end it off there. But yeah, way more videos now coming out now that we're working with the head and the bottom end. The bottom end is almost done, but the head is where the fun part is.
Yeah, the head is going to be a while.
So
it's got a lot of work to be done. I still got to finish porting it, and then I'll clean it again, and then take it to get decked, and then the head will be done. But we got to order all the parts for the head: the cams, the retainers, springs, valves. That's it. I think we might do the valve seats too. I don't know.
We might as well. We're doing everything new, so
yeah. Take it to a machine shop to have them press them out and press them in.
So yeah, that's what we're gonna do, guys. And we'll catch you guys on the next video. Until next time, peace.
Peace.